Hello, and welcome to the Cardboard Toy Maker. In this episode, we're going to learn how to make a monster. Are you ready? Are you not ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I was ready.
Okay. You are?
Yep.
All right, let's
Let's
do it! Alright, you just saw the slideshow. Hope you're inspired. Get out there. Go make your own monster. And we hope you have a wonderful week being creative. Bye-bye.